everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make a purple sweet potato pie. This is very similar to my pumpkin pie recipe, just a few minor modifications, but it really looks nice because it's purple, and I think you'll really like it. So let's get started. We're going to start off by making the pie crust, and I have a separate video that shows you how to make the crust. I've used this in a bunch of other videos here. And you're just going to take the dough and press it into a 9-inch pie dish, which has been sprayed with oil and floured with a little brown rice flour. Even everything out, flute the edges, put whatever designs you want into it. And then we're going to poke some holes in the bottom of it with a fork and bake it at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And then set that aside. To make the filling, we're going to take 1.5 pounds of purple sweet potatoes, which have been steamed for 20 minutes, put them in a food processor with 1 can of coconut milk, or if you want more low-fat, you could use just a cup of vegan milk, and blend that together until it's nice and smooth. Scrape the sides as you need to along the way. And then we're going to pour that into a saucepan. And we're going to add in 1 cup of sugar. The thick cream from the top of a coconut milk can, which has been chilled overnight. About 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And just mix that all together and heat that up over medium heat. And then while that's heating up, we're going to take a 1/4 cup of kudzu, place that in a mixing bowl, and add some of the liquid from the bottom of the coconut milk can. And just mix that up until the kudzu is all dissolved, and put that aside. And continue whisking the mixture until it comes to a boil, and then add in the kudzu mixture, and continue whisking and lower the heat to lower heat. And just continue mixing it until it thickens up a little bit, just for a minute or two. And then pour it into the baked pie crust. Even everything out. And just set that aside to cool. And once it's cooled, we're just going to put it into the refrigerator to chill. Meantime, we can make some coconut whipped cream. We're going to take another can of coconut milk that has been chilled overnight. Scoop out the thick cream from the top. Beat that with a hand mixer until it forms some soft peaks. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue beating it until the peaks come back again. And then add in 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And continue whisking until it's nice and thick and stiff. And then we're going to chill that along with the pie until everything is well chilled. Once the pie is set, then we can decorate with the coconut whipped cream. And it's ready to serve. Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more recipes, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.